My name is Dan Morrison. I'm BLOTT WORKS. I work from my studio workshop in Todmorden, which is in the South Pennines, just north of Manchester. So I started off in engineering, but I've also worked as an artist for much of my life. What I love about my work with BLOTT WORKS is that it allows me to try and bring those two worlds together. A lot of what I do is to seek out the essence of machines, machinery, mechanisms, buildings, the built environment, and try and distill them down into something that will work in the domestic setting. And hopefully it will both be a beautiful and thought-provoking piece, but also have that joy of the functional, of the components and of the movements and the interaction. So for me, it's all about bringing the materials I use together in a combination to get a perfect balance of both the textures and the colours and the feels. So the organic nature of the wood parts just balance out the crisper, cleaner structural elements made in metal. All of my work has at its core some sort of movement or mechanism that allows somebody to interact with it in both a playful and a functional way.